is another party food idea on how to cook Nigerian party coconut milk fried rice. So guys, this is the best and the easiest way to cook your Nigerian coconut milk fried rice.
Hello sweets, welcome back again to my channel. This is Lady V Kitchen. How is my lovely friends doing today? I hope you guys are keeping safe. My people, today I'm super excited to bring us another way of cooking Nigerian party coconut milk fried rice. Trust me guys, this is the right video for you to watch on how to cook your coconut milk fried rice, both for your party, both for sale. Even if you're a seller, anyone you want to make use of it, this coconut milk fried rice is ready to serve you. So let me take you to the few ingredients that I will be needing on this video. Making this coconut milk fried rice, these are all the ingredients I will be needing. All the ingredients is ready and it's ready to use. So my people, don't forget to check it out on my description box. I'm going to list out all the names on my description box. Don't forget to check it out because I will not forget to drop it for you on my description box. So everything is set and everything is ready to use. First thing I will be doing is to wash my rice. So I will be washing my rice with warm water or hot water. You can as well parboil your rice. You can as well wash it with hot water, or you can as well wash it with cold water. It depends on one you really need at a time. So mine, I'm just washing this with warm water. I will just let this to rest inside the water for 5 minutes before washing it with cold water. Washing the rice with cold water, so this is the final look. So this is how the rice look after washing. So here I have my cooking pot. So now I will just turn the rice inside the cooking pot. Next we'll be needing is coconut milk. So here is my coconut milk I will be making use of. So first thing is for me to open the coconut milk, and this is how it look after opening it. So this is how it look. I'll be making use of 2 cups. So I have 2 cups already. So I just open the first one, then I'll open the second one the same way. Doing this guys, you have to be careful. Even me, I'm just be careful. You can see that I just pour it on the floor. So you have to be careful while doing this, okay? I'll just take the milk, then turn it inside the pot of rice. So I'll just turn the both of them inside the pot of rice. Using this milk is an optional. You can as well use this one. You can as well buy the normal one, then you stream it by yourself, as in prepare it by yourself. So anyone is good to go. So next I'll be adding is my bay leaf. Next ingredient is Maggi cube. So I'll be making use of 2 Maggi cube. Inside the box I have 2 cubes, so I will just add the 2 cubes inside because the rice is a bit big. So now I will just open the Maggi cube and then add it inside the rice. The next ingredient I will be adding is 2 cinnamon. So after adding that, I will pour water inside the rice. So now adding water is to make sure that this is the exact water that will enable the rice. The next ingredient I will be adding is black pepper. So after adding the black pepper, then I will stir everything together. So I have to give this a nice stir so that all the ingredients will get combined. Now the rice is ready to cook. I just cover it with foil paper. So this will be cooking for 20 to 25 minutes. 25 minutes is here. The rice has cooked and this is how it look after 25 minutes. The rice is cooked and you can see how soft it looks. So now it's ready. I'll just give it a little bit of stir, then take it out from the gas. I've already turned off the gas because the rice has already cooked. So that is it my people. So the coconut milk fried rice is ready. So it's time for me to prepare the vegetables. You can see how good this looks. Here I have my frying pan, so I'll be making use of coconut oil. So the coconut oil is there, and I will just open it, then add it inside the frying pan. I'll be adding enough oil because I have enough vegetables to fry. So I have enough vegetable to fry, then I will add enough oil. So after adding the oil, and first thing for me to fry is the beef. So here is the beef. I'll just turn it over, then fry it for some minutes. So after frying, this is how it look. I have here beef and gizzard. So after frying, this is how it look. I'll just take it out from the oil. Next I will be frying is the onions, the red bell pepper, and the onion spring. So I will just pour it over, then stir it together and give it just 1 minute fry. I'm not frying these veggies that long in the fire. I'm not doing that because this is vegetables. I don't need to over fry it. I'll just give it a little bit of fry, then adding the rest of the vegetables. Now I will just add the green beans, adding the carrots. So add the rest of the vegetables, adding the carrots, all of it. So I will just add everything together because these vegetables have already prepared already. So I will just add it and then give it a little bit of fry because this is not going to be long in the fire. So guys, in one of these days I'm going to film a video on how to save your vegetables. Like this vegetable you are seeing here, it's not that I just buy it today then use it to cook today. No, this has been long in my freezer. So one of these days I will try to film a video on how you can save your vegetable in as long as you want your vegetable to last. So now I just add some Maggi cube and then some salt to taste. You can prepare your vegetables, then keep it in your freezer. It will last as long as you want if you really follow the process. So this is my vegetables. This is how I prepare my vegetables, then keep it in my freezer. So I don't just go and buy vegetables every time in the market. No, keep it for my future use. So that is it. If you really want to watch the video and how I prepare my vegetables, still drop it in the comment section, and trust me, the video is going to be hard for you to watch. So I just add in the beef, then I will stir everything together. So this is not going to be long. After this moment I'm going to turn off the gas. Now it's time for me to mix the rice and the vegetables. So this is how I'm going to mix the rice. I will take some of the veggies and add it inside my frying pan. So after doing that, I will now add some of the rice inside the frying pan, then stir both of them together. I will just give it a little bit of fry for just like 1 minute. I will just stir it all the way for 1 minute so that all the veggies and the rice will get combined. This process is still very important. I think this process is more better than you adding all the rice together at once. So I believe it will not give the rice a nice outcome. So that is why I follow this process by frying it little by little like this. So this is how I will just fry the rest of it. So the rice is ready. So this is how it look after frying the rice. So before anything, I have some foil paper already sprayed in the floor. So that is where I will be adding the rice. This process is still very important, especially if you are cooking enough quantity of fried rice. First of all, you have to add the rice inside a opening place, like opening place, before you add it inside your container or inside your cooler, so that some fresh breeze will enter the rice and that will enable the rice not to stick together. So my people, this is all about this video. If you have watched to this extent, thank you so much for doing that, and just drop your comment, your opinion on this coconut milk fried rice, how you feel and how you see the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and I love your presence. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like. Thank you, and see you all in my next one. Lady B Kitchen love you, and I will keep on loving you. Bye bye.